Financial freedom is not when you have a high paying job. You attain financial freedom when you have multiple sources of passive income. If you are a working professional or if you are into business, then it is difficult for you to concentrate on other things. But stock market has an answer for that. You can generate consistent regular passive income by trading in options. Hey guys, I am Vinayak and I am an options trader entrepreneur and the founder of NiftyNayak.com. I am on a mission to help people generate regular consistent passive income by trading in options. Do like and subscribe to my channel so that you can learn and grow as you will be associated with the smartest financial channel. Also, don't forget to attend my webinar, which is in the description below, where I will discuss the steps which one has to adopt to generate consistent passive income by trading in options. See you there.